All right, guys. Hope y'all like this unboxing video. Hope y'all like the last one of the BB Simon belt. So this one is actually, matter of fact, y'all guess what's inside. What do y'all think is going to be inside of here? Man, this box is sealed. This box is sealed tight. It says, do not crush on this box. So it's something that can't be crushed. What y'all think? Any clue? This joint packaged like a brick. All right. Oh, what's this? What's this? Antenna. Look, if I'm gonna do it, I might as well go all the way with it, right? What y'all think? Y'all like this thing, man? Oh, man. So all the jokers back in the day, they used to have these car phones. Look, oh man, this joint come with the receiver and everything. Wow. Man, this thing might actually work, to be honest with you. All right, I'm gonna take this outside.
Happy husband, Daddy.
I love you.
I love you.
Give me a kiss.